Okay, so let's cover this. One of my viewers here has made this statement, minus the whole, you know, that right there, suck my dick hole, I ate your mother's asshole, you can suck my cock, all that stuff. That was me trying to get struck because they keep removing this fucking comment. And I keep putting it and changing the spelling. So let's read it. Hi, Google. I will leave a paper trail. One of these times I will cuss so badly your computer will strike me. Then I will have a fucking record of this non-violent, non-divisive comment being struck in because of what? Too much truth? Okay, so homie starts with, I did not know such creatures still existed, believing in the Judeo-Christian elite Babel. Genesis starts at the flood, giving in between was stolen and borrowed, and the Jews being the parasites and this and that inserted themselves in the punk god of their great ruler of all, not being and doing these things that they say they are. Then the real revelations, he considers Genesis and Revelations to be correct, which, to a point, you can look at it as correct. Yeah, they tell you the tale, but they change the names, like Ishkapickin was Noah, etc., etc. But how many times has it been perverted down the line? We just covered once. If people don't know about the soon and coming reset, not the fake claws, anal swab reset, but the planet flyby reset that people vibrating the wrong frequency are not going to get through, should also check out. And I disagree because I've checked out that guy, and he's not such a, he needs a lot of help. Anyway, he goes on to thank me. So I'm not sure why they won't allow this very simple statement to hold, because it's not doing anything other than pointing out that actually I kind of simplified the lie this morning in the fact that I only covered the one twist. There's been several twists of this same canon throughout history. And when you get into the extent of it, it's almost impossible to believe, because people run around now asking, why does the Pope call the Muslim imams angels of mercy? Because he prints their book too. Abrahamic religions are the global religion. And he was born in Ur, and they worship Lord Enlil and Lord Enki and their sons and children and grandchildren. And it's written down in stone. All right, let's see if I get struck with this.